It's time to clean my PC, and when I notice my power supply, I was very concerned. So my PC is only 5 months old, and my power supply is getting really dusty. So I decided to do a health checkup, just like a basic one. So I unscrewed the CPU fan, checked the thermal paste, CPU, checked the RAM, all sorts of stuff. And everything around there seems to be in good condition after the intense unscrewing. It took a really long time, yeah. After taking a good look, I noticed that the exhaust fan was also building up dust. At only 5 months age, the exhaust fan was getting dusty. And my power supply was kinda dead. So I decided to keep on going and see what else I'll find. After removing my graphics card, Gigabyte GTX 1660, I I gave it a quick inspection and it was completely fine. Seemed to pass with no issues, just that power supply I was concerned about. So I have some real thick dust for just 5 months. And the thing is that fan faces my desk, so I'm very confused on how so much dust gets there. But somehow it does. So after giving an intense cleanup, yeah. Honestly, I couldn't do much of a cleanup. And yeah. So I did some tests and it was perfectly fine. Checked out the BIOS, subscribe.